Hi guys,
Hi,
how are you?
good. Did you be sick?
I was sick last week. Thank you for checking. Really, I was very sick. Usually, I don't cancel my classes because of that. I feel so much better now.
That's good.
Yeah, I felt good too. The rest of them are coming in. Was the homework easy, hard? How was it? Where are we? You're all doing good with school?
Yeah.
School as well, I thought of for your school level curriculum, right? I was really thinking of giving the review sheets for grade 2. So it will overall at the end of the year, it is going to help you cope the school curriculum too, is what I was thinking. We do that as well in parallel. Shall we do that? Okay. I have Rishit join in the class as well. He will help.
Yeah, sorry, I just came back from school.
No problem. No problem, Rishit. Okay, we are starting up. Okay, so can we go over review what we learned? Okay, school. What are you doing, Ritu? What are you doing in school?
Addition and subtraction.
What am I?
Addition and subtraction.
Oh, okay. Are you doing good there? Are you doing good in school?
Yes.
Okay, good to know. How about you, Kamala? What are you doing at school, Kamala? What are you doing in school, Kamala?
Um,
I
I'm
really want to know what
learning.
you guys are doing in school, huh?
I'm learning multiplication. Daddy.
Okay, are you doing multiplication at school?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, what multiplication are you doing? Meaning,
We're kind of learning like some like part by part, like two, two, like the one times table two, like we go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
good to know. Okay, so you're counting by twos, threes like that. Can I say so?
Kind of like we're going by like one time.
Uh-huh. Okay. How about you, Aditi? What are you doing in school?
We just started addition and subtraction to 1,200.
I see. I see. So, okay. Anybody other than addition and subtraction you're all doing in school? Other than addition, subtraction, anything else you're all doing in school? Yes, Maru. Go ahead.
It's like a number line thingy. Like we're doing addition to 1,000, and we're doing
Oh,
like
number line thingy. Yeah, you bring up a good point.
yeah.
Okay, number
I
line
do
thingy.
number lines, Miss Priya.
You want to do number lines?
No, I do it in school.
See, number line thing is something very important that we have covered here, but I felt like I was not convinced the way where we were for number lines. Okay, let's go over that as well. Meaning, I just want to make sure our school curriculum is also shaping up, not just um, our beast curriculum, right? So let's see. Number line. Okay, yeah. Let me do that in parallel, but this is not a mandatory homework. But let's see. Let's see where we are. I just want to review all the benchmarks for grade 2 coming to school as well. So let's see. So that we don't leave a gap there, I'll ask you questions today. Let me see where we are. I want to understand, okay? How about this? Meaning, I don't know each of you from a school's perception as well, though I know from a Beast Academy perception. So, how about this? You're going to send the answer in chat. I'm going to share with you this. How about this? Oh my gosh. Jackie placed, all of you have seen this, correct? Jackie placed these base 10 blocks on her desk. Name each type of block and list how many of each type of block Jackie put on her desk. You know what I want to know from whatever is given on the board? I would like to know what number does this represent? What number did Jackie want to represent? Can we try that? I want you to take it like a test. I just want to see where we are with respect to your school level grade 2. You have to be careful though when you send the answers to these because I'm taking it, oh, this is what you know. So please go ahead. You're all good. Sri Mitran, Anjali, Shreya, good job. I'll wait, guys. Okay, one more thing. Okay, those of you have answered, right? Can I ask two different things from you? The number is number 1. Number 2 question is write in word form. Write this, the number in word form. I don't know if you all know what is word form. I'm going to wait and see. Write the number in word form. Take your time. It's okay if you don't know, you can say you don't know. Aditi, good job. Shankari, good job. Aru, good job. Ananya, good job. Ananya, good to see you back, Ananya. I also want the number in word form. Something else is wrong with the screen. Okay, sure. Please do quickly. Shankari, if I may ask, right, Shankari, what is that last number?
I'm
Down as a
changing
number.
it.
Huh?
I'm changing it.
Okay, good.
I just noticed that.
You should not forget, you know. Yes. Ritu, go ahead and write the second question. 100. You guys are really good. Okay. Kamala, are you typing, ma?
No, I'm thinking.
You're thinking, okay. Ritu, go ahead and give me the second answer, Ritu. Sri Mitran, Anjali, you can as well give me the second answer. Aditi, you can. Shreyank, you can. Shankari, you can. Aradhya, I'll wait for your answer. Ananya, I didn't get your answer, right, ma? I want to know what is in word form. Ritu, are you able to write it in word form is something I want to know, Ritu.
Yes.
Oh, good. Okay. Yojit, her laptop is not set up properly.
It says that that the screen is dimmed because of flashing stripes patterns. So we're trying to fix it because I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
Sorry.
No problem at all. Rashid, today you observe Rashid will help me. Okay.
Okay.
What Srimithan, you're too excited. Did you? Oh yeah, you have both answers. Anjali, Shankari, okay. Aditi got it, Rayan got it. Okay. I'm just waiting on Kamala. Kamala, what is going on, Kamala? Where are we? Are you
I'm
writing?
writing it.
Hmm.
I'm writing it in word form right now. I just have to do that.
Yes, perfect. Akshara, where are your answers, ma?
Did you get my answer? I just joined.
One. Okay. Okay. Yes, I saw that, Akshara. The questions are on the board. That's why I asked you. I saw that. Okay. So now, Ritu, I have one correction for you. There is an and, right? Do you see the word and in your answer?
Yeah.
That should not be there. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
It is very important you don't put it there. You know what and means in mathematics here? And will indicate a decimal point. So that and should not be there. You got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, let me show you. Let me give the answer. I'll wait. While I wait for Kamala, I'll show you how to write it down.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma?
when are we going to learn decimals?
No, I'm not going to do decimal in your class. Ritu, I sent the answer to you. Did you see? Everything is correct, excluding that. Did you see, ma?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll go ahead. Kamala, did you have it? Akshara, you can also send one answer at least to me of the two.
Yes, I'm just writing the last.
Ask the teacher if she get the answer.
Did you get my answer?
Yes, the first one I got it. The second one I didn't, right, Kamala? Akshara's also I'm waiting on. Good job. Okay. So just want to let you know, guys, what common mistake I do see. Let me go over it quickly. What number? This is 1,000, right? This big block stands for 1,000. This one is a flat. Flat is 100. This is a long. Stands for a 10. Stands for a 10. These four are 4 units. When you think about them, it's a 4-digit number, correct? Now, 1,000. So in the thousands place, we have 1. How many hundreds are there? 100. How many tens are there? 2 tens. So I will cross out whatever I have done. Okay. And then the last is 4. So the number 1124. This can be written as 1,000. Then 124. Okay, let's move on. I just want to review, surely spend time review today and see, because last week I had planned for it. Since we didn't meet, I really wanted to do it this week. Okay, how about this? Okay, let's see. How about this? This is a good one. No.
Miss Priya,
Nama?
like not our like what like grade do we start decimals at?
What grade? This is exactly second grade.
No, like what grade do we start decimals at?
Oh, decimals. What grade do you start? Maybe 4th grade? Maybe 3rd or 4th grade?
Oh,
Makes sense? You want to know decimals?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, we can go ahead, provided we cover up the basics. Okay, now I don't want this in word form. Okay, I just want it in expanded form. Let me see whether you got it. Write the number 746 in expanded form. You all know what is an expanded form? Ritu,
Yes, I
Kamala,
know.
your thumbs up really helps me. Ritu, do you know what is the expanded form?
Yes.
Good. Then why don't you go ahead and do Aru correct, ma? Shreyang correct. Looks like it's too easy for you. So that's what I wanted to know. So I'm going to give you straight assignments on these. So we are good with that as well. Ananya, good ma. Shankari, Anjali, good.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma.
Like since like you said really good, can we like start the basics of decimals?
Symbols? Good question. Don't worry, I'll help you. Not this class, but I'll definitely bring it in somehow since you've asked me. Okay? Right, at
Okay.
some point I'll bring it in before we disperse for the year. Kamala, correct, ma. Ananya, correct. Ritu and Srimitran, I really want your answers. Please, Akshara, I really want your answer this time.
Ma'am, I sent my answer.
Then I missed
I
it.
sent my answer.
Yes, Kamala, Ritu.
I
Correct.
sent my answer.
Correct. I saw. Thank you. Okay. Now, oh, this was a good one. Okay, this one is more of a finding. Okay. See, this one will be a part of the homework, but at the same time, I don't want to just like that give if you don't know, right? So, Patrick is trying to solve a math riddle. Oh my gosh, something is blocking. Let me erase that. Patrick is trying to solve a math riddle. So the riddle says, I am a number between 70 and 80. I have 6 in the ones place. Which of these does not represent this number? Which of these does not represent the number Patrick is thinking? I should not have read that to you, I feel now. Okay, it's okay. I should not have read it, guys. Correct, Anjali and Aru. Correct, Shankari. Shreyank.
Do we
Shri-
just write the letter?
Yeah, just choose the letter, yes. It's just a review of your second grade, right? Akshara, Ananya, correct. Kamala, correct. Aditi, correct. Correct, Srimitran. Okay. Oh, nice. Akshara, you caught up, I think, right, Akshara? Good. Okay, good to know. And now, okay. Okay, how about this? Yeah, you seem to be. Okay. How about this? This is also a riddle. Ah, Shreyank. Wait, Shreyank. Hey, wait, guys. Shreyank, what was your answer for this one? Okay, good. You corrected. You've given me 3 different answers. It's so confusing. Okay, I got it. Zach, Trent, and Kellen. I don't want to read this, guys. Read it and then you do it. Because you know what? Nobody's going to read it in the exam. If you didn't get it, then I'll intervene.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma?
When like can you just like start the basics of
I'll do, ma. I'll do. Shreya, correct. Anjali, I want you to verify Anjali. Shankari, correct. Anjali, you know the answer. It is just that you're just like that sending something. Ananya, correct. Aradhya, correct.
I'm done.
Yes, I saw. That's correct, Srimitran. Anjali, you're going over it again? Did you realize it? I know. Aditi correct or Ritu correct. Okay. So looks like this is on the easy side. Good to know. Mm-hmm. Yeah, now comes the harder part, let's see. Let's try this one. Yeah. So today I've taken numbers. The benchmarks taken for review for today will be just numbers, word form, expanded form, standard form, some riddles, and then the number line. Yes, Anjali, Akshara, Aditi, Ritu, correct. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to move on. Aradhya, did you catch up? Did you have the machine fixed? Yes, looks like it. Okay. Which number line best represents the location of the number 245? I just want to understand which better represents 245. That's a little bit tricky one. Let's see. Oh, wow. Next. Okay. We'll have a couple of difficult problems as well. Let's see. Srimitran, Ananya, Aradhya. I want you guys to look at your answers. Srimitran, Ananya, Aradhya. Kamala.
Miss
Okay.
Priya.
Ritu, did you send the answer, Ritu? Not yet. Not yet, right, Ritu? Okay.
I just sent the answer.
Yeah, I saw, but I don't know. Okay. Wait.
Miss Priya.
Wait. I have a general common notion as H. Why? Let's see. Yeah, 1 minute, ma. 1 minute, ma. Let me finish this, ma. Ananya, how did you fix it? Can you tell us why you fixed it now?
Because 245 is not close to 300.
Agree. Okay. Okay. But why did you answer the first one as first one and second one? Now you fixed it. How did you fix it? I'm asking. Okay, let me ask a question to you all. Those of you, I have 4 people who have to rework. Okay, so here, many of you have written H as your answer. 240 is here. 250 is here.
Can I explain?
Yes, Anjali, you can explain, but I'm just going to give up.
actually me, Shreyang.
Oh, see, every time I'm confused between Anjali and Shreyang's voice. Sorry, guys. Okay, wait. You're laughing, Anjali. 240 and 250, right? 240 is in here. 250 is in here. Yes. 245 is right smack between 240 and 250. See here. 240, 250. So in between, how do I write? 241, 242, 243, 244, 245. 245. So right smack in between is this, correct? So what should have happened if it is right smack in between? This is halfway from here, halfway from here. So it should have been somewhere here. But it is towards 250, which is incorrect, right? H. So how about F and G? Who wants to analyze F and G and tell me the answer? The 4 of you, you have to rework. You want me to call out? Akshara, correct, ma. Okay. Ritu, Kamala, I want you to work on it and let me know. Aradhya as well. And Ananya. Oh, Ananya, you fixed it. I know. Can I get the correct answers, guys? Can I get the answers?
Different answer. I send a different answer. Am I correct?
Yes, Srimitran, I didn't call you out, right? Okay, I just need answers. Ritu and Kamala, I want you to analyze F and G. Send me the answer. is it right smack in between 230, 250? Then what comes in between? What is right smack in between? Yes. Ritu and Kamala, good job. There's one more who is yet to answer. Who is that? Aradhya, where is your answer? Aradhya?
I actually send a different answer.
Where is it? Can you shout out your answer quick?
G.
G, good job. Okay. Okay. The next one I have is this. Creek Valley Elementary. You're going to read it, guys. I know reading might be a problem for some of you, but I want you to read. Creek Valley Elementary has 1,113 students. Find it on the number line. See, always see what is right smack in between. What is halfway? What is the midpoint? What is the middle point? Then you will understand whether it is on the left or the right. Hey, Anjali, you wanted to, Shreyank, you wanted to explain, right? Sorry. I'll give you the turn. Okay. Akshara, good job, Akshara. Shreyank, good job. This one pulled a lot of you off. Ananya, correct. Ananya, Akshara, correct. Shreyank, correct. Anjali, did you go over it again? Can you please go over it again? Aru, I want you to go over it again. You have to be a little careful, guys. Aditi, you have to go over it again. So, okay. I can give you clues if you want to. See, I asked you to find out what is right smack in between. For any number line, it's easy if you find out what is right smack in between. There is a 600. There is a 1,200. What can come right smack in between? This is right smack in between, halfway, right? So why don't I go by hundreds? Let me go 100 up, 100 down. 100 up again, 100 down again. 100 up again, 100 down again. So right smack in between, see, both are same. Right smack in between seems a 900. Good job, Ritu. Ananya, good job. Aru, still it is not correct, ma. Aru, where are you getting confused?
Like in the dot.
In the dot. But did you see? Okay, okay. Aru, your target should be to write down what every mark stands for. When you think about it, right smack in between, we rose up 100, 100, 100. We came down 100, 100, 100 from the last. We saw what was in the center. Now, when you think about it, this is 600. I can go by hundreds and see whether I arrive at 700. So let's write it down. 700, 800. Great, 900. After 900, what is this mark, Shreyank? Srimitran, correct. Shreyank, what is this mark?
1,000.
1,000. Good job. What is this mark?
1,100.
Good. So between 1000 and 1100, what is asked here? They have asked to show the number 1113. So if it is 1113, it should be where? Ananya. It should be between A or B or C or D or E or F. Is it F or E or D or C or B or A?
F.
Ritu, correct.
I wasn't able to see the F.
Oh, you weren't able to see the F. What F? Oh,
Like
this. Okay. So see, 1113 will lie in this interval, correct? Because this is greater than 1100 and less than 1200. So it will come somewhere here. So this is definitely incorrect. Kamala, now can you work between B, C and let me know which is the answer? I gave you clues, right? Now the thing about the number line here is, see, there is only one marking. It's easy for me to find what it is. 1000 is here. 1200 is here. Can we go by hundreds and see? You know how what I do? I'm always confused. I don't know proper numbers. So I go up 100 and see. When I go up 100, the hundreds place will change. I go down. I go down 100. I'm coming to the same number. So that's right smack in between. You see? So 1100, 1200. So between this lies my deal, my number. But let's see whether the other one is incorrect. I won't just like that go with B. I want to go check the next one. This is 1100. This is 1200. Both are just 100 apart. There are so many lines. So many lines in the sense I can't go up by 100, go down by 100. I told you, right? Tens and hundreds are our friends. So I'll go by a 10 and see. If I go up by a 10, the tens digit keeps on changing. 1100, 10, 1100, 20, 1100, 30. This is, are we correct? Let's check first. 1140, 1150, 1160, 1170, 1180, 1190, 1200. Yes, that looks like it's correct. But this is not the number I want. There's a 13 here. I want a 13, which is incorrect. So definitely the answer goes with B. Okay, I see it. I see there are some issue areas which we can fix. Let's see. Let's see. See, that's what I want to iron out today. I'll give you one or two more and then stop there. This one is a good one. Let's see. Number line, I think we really need practice, more practice. How about this? What number does the point P represent? First, you need to find out if you make a hop, frog jump, how many numbers should you jump? That is what you need to find out. All of you are getting it. Srimitran, is that correct? I'm sad to see your answer. You know, but you're not answering correctly. Srimitran, yeah, all of you got it right. Whoever, Aradhya, do you want to check?
Am I correct?
Yes. Aradhya, did you send? Ritu and Kamala, did you send?
Yes.
Yes, Kamala, I didn't see yours, Amma. Oh, yeah. Okay, I didn't see. Good job. Okay. Akshay,
Miss
hey,
Priya.
yeah, I just need, Yama.
You said that like you were going to do like two more problems and then you would stop.
Yeah.
Like,
You are-
oh, can you like just like start at the basics of decimals? Like, like after you like stop.
You'll all run away. What should I do? Make you run away or retain you in class? Which one do you think is better?
Keep us in class.
Be in class, right? So why don't we deal with this 2 weeks later? But I can tell you what is decimal. Since you're so particular, right, Aro, I feel like. Okay, let's see. Go ahead. The height in feet from the ground to the roof of the Chrysler building in New York City is represented by the point C. What is the height to the roof of the Chrysler building? So this one, I'm going to assign it as homework further. Okay. There are 66 questions. I want you to slowly work out as a test. Hey, Rishit, do you know how to create a Google form?
Yeah,
You know how to create a Google form?
yeah,
Google form from a PDF document that I give you?
yeah, I'll try. Yeah.
You will try, Amma. No, if it is going to take more of your time, I don't want you to do. You got it?
No, it won't really take that long.
Can I send one to you and see now? Can you do
Okay,
it before the class?
okay.
Yeah, meaning the intent is not to accumulate work on you as well. You see what I mean? Would you be able to do it quickly is what I
Yeah,
want. Can we
yeah,
try?
again.
Oh, okay. So shall I pass it on to you now in the class itself?
Sure, yeah.
Okay. You want the drive link, right?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Guys, I'm waiting for your answers on that. One minute, I'll give it to you. Did you guys get it? That was the last question for the day on that. Shreyank and Aru, you got it. Good job. So see, 900 to 950, there are 50 hops. There are no 50 markings. So you have to do something about it. Aditi Shankari, correct. Anjali, correct. But good try, guys.
Miss
Akshara,
Miss
Ananya,
Priya,
Yama.
can I help everybody who like didn't get it yet?
1 minute wait. I really want 2 more answers. Yeah, after that you can help out, okay?
Mm.
Okay, thank you. Okay, why don't you think out loud? Can I pick out people to think out loud?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, go and come back quickly. You have your answer already. Go, 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 go.
Am I
Uh,
correct?
Kamala, can you think out loud? Yes. Kamala? Think out loud with us, ma. What do you think? How are you thinking? You want to tell us how are you thinking? Okay, you want to answer only? Okay, answer. Aru wanted to help after this. Kamala, you want to think out loud with us? No. Okay, that's fine. I accept.
You can tell how you got it.
What did you do?
I did not. I started with I thought thinking 905, but then that wouldn't be right. So then I tried 925. I did 900 plus 25, 925. 925 plus 25 equals 950. So then 25 is 900 plus 25, 925. And then 900 plus 25 is 950. So I think it's A.
I see. Good job, Kamala. Good thinking. How about Karu? You wanted to share? What did you do?
So, when I was looking for the answer, I tried the 10, like counting by tens, but
Ah,
I knew that wouldn't work because of all the lines. And
so How did you think that it won't work? Why did you think that it won't work?
Because there's over 5 tens.
Ah, okay, makes sense. Here itself you get a 950, but there's a 950 in here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, it's too much. If you count by 10, it's too much. So you have to lessen that. Okay, so what did you do?
So then instead of counting by tens, I did fives.
Good.
So I got 950.
Nice. So did you do for the entire thing after that?
Yeah. I don't
Good.
know.
Okay, good to know, guys. Okay, number line seems iffy, but that's okay. Okay, so when you do the homework, you'll all be able to get that going. Okay. While I give this to Rishit for him to make the Google form, you can make it in your own. Okay, Rishit, for the Google form, you can try to make it in your own account, Amma. Okay, I'll deal with it later. There are 66 problems.
Okay.
Okay, give me a minute. I'll give you the link.
Okay.
I have to share with you, right?
Miss Priya,
Yeah, Ma.
can you show us how like a decimal problem would look like?
Okay, I'll show you. Why are you so particular? I don't know, but I will show you. Not a problem. Wait. Let me give the link to Rishit. Rishit, you're going to make a Google form, right? For this class only, you're going to make. You can
Yeah.
make it?
As a class,
1 minute, Amma. 1 minute. Let me give you a Google form. Wait to get the Google form. In the chat, I'm sending you the link, Rishit.
Okay.
That will really help me, actually. Yep.
What's your sit, Miss Priya?
You want to do what?
What's your sit, Miss Priya?
What is a?
Who is your shit, Miss Priya?
Rishit is going to help out in this class.
Yeah.
He's a very good at math. He's really good at math. It's been a good path for him. Math. Okay, now let's see this one. Hey, Aru, just for you. Okay, so what is the place value of this Aru? Tell you that.
The ones place.
One's place. Okay, let me ask Ritu, what is the value of this number? Value of this digit in this number? What is the value of this digit in this number?
2 tens.
Good job. So what is the value of that digit? 20. What is the place value of this digit, Shreyank? What is the place value of this digit?
100.
100. Kamala, what is the value of this digit in the number? What is the value of this digit in the number? I have the number 2124. So what is the value of this digit?
2000.
2000. Good job. So when I ask for the value, you really tell me the value, how much value the number carries, the digit carries. If I ask for the place value, you just tell me the house name. House name is, this is thousands, this is hundreds, tens, ones. Now, there are numbers with this dot. Okay, if you have a dot, that is called a decimal. After the decimal, whatever we put in, each of them, they have house names as well. Then only you have decimal numbers. You see, the dot, after the dot, if we start having digits, right, that is when you have decimal numbers. But you know what? These are all whole numbers. You see, but when I have 1 here, what does it mean? What does it mean? You have something less than 1. So you know what? What is the house name for this? Tenth house. Tens house. Tens house. This is different from this 10. This is TENS. This is TENTHS. That means what? 1 out of 10. That's a little tricky, right? That is why I said I don't want you to run away. Okay. So I'm going to move on now to our usual book. Okay, I want to revise a couple of things and then let's see. How about this? Okay, there was a very logical question that we came across yesterday at home. So I really wanted to ask you guys that, okay? Okay, Meena was born in the year 2015. Meena, her sister, is 5 years younger. Okay. In which year was she born? In which year Tina was born? Can you guys answer this question? Part of your book actually, but we came across this yesterday. It was a little tricky. Meena was born in the year 2015.
Hi,
Her sister is 5 years younger. In which year was Tina born? It's a confusing question. Akshara, nice. Shreyank, nice. Ananya, nice. Anjali, nice. Aditi, is that right? Aru, correct. Shankari, is that right? Kamala, correct, ma.
Oh, Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma.
After like everybody, like people start to submit their answer. Can I explain?
Yes, definitely you can. Hey, Aditya, I want you to rework. Shankari, I want you to rework on that. See, this is it's a slightly tricky question. Rashit, are you able to access the PDF?
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Cool. One option is if you know how to screenshot it, you can just screenshot and put it in the Google form.
Yeah.
Aradhya, that's not correct. See, guys, some of you are getting messed up. If she is younger, should she be born after or before? If she is younger, should she be born after or before? 2015 is here. Okay. This was what Meena was born. Tina is younger. Younger means will she be born afterwards or before? Good job, Ritu. Aditi, correct. So, Tina was younger. So, she should be born after Meena. So, plus 5, 2020 should have been the answer. Several of you have given 2010. Okay, let's move on. How about this? Okay. I am, let's say, 10 years old. You're not going to believe me if I say that. My sister is 2 years older than me. What will be the sum of our ages? What will be the sum of our ages 3 years later? I am 10 years old. My sister is 2 years older than me today. What will be sum means what? Shankari. What does it mean by sum?
Addition.
Good. Go ahead.
Miss Priya.
Mm-hmm.
Do you like add both ages 3 years, like when they're like 3 years later, both of them?
I want you to think about it and tell me.
Is my answer correct?
One second. Shankari, Aditi correct, Shreyang correct, Aru correct, Kamala correct. Anjali, Shreyang, how did you get 22? Aru, how did you get a 12?
Before you wrote 3 years, I accidentally typed 20.
Sent it, huh? Okay.
I did I
Uh-huh.
did 10 plus 2 is 12, and I did 12 plus. Wait.
Correct. So let me write down step by step. I am 10 years old now. Okay. My sister is how many years old? She is 12 years old, is 2 years older.
Yeah.
I will write down everything. Now is the ages I have written down. 3 years after what happens? What will be my age 3 years later? 13. My
13.
sister's age 3 years later is
15.
15. What is the sum? Sum means the added value. So your answer should have said 28. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? You are going to fill up the blank with the same number. You're going to fill up the blank with the same number. Okay? 78 minus one number is equal to that same number. The boxes are going to contain the same number. Can you identify what is that number that goes in the boxes?
78 minus 0.
78 minus something equal to the same number. There are a couple of ways of thinking about it. Remember fact family? I want you to really remember fact family rather than guessing and checking. Guessing and checking is a strategy, but I don't want you to guess and check. Here, 5 minus 3 is a 2. 5 minus 2 is a 3. 2 plus 3 is a 5. 3 plus 2 is a 5. This set, you all know, is called a fact family. Bigger number, biggest number minus one small number equal to the other number. Biggest number minus the other small number equal to the other small number. So that sort of a strategy should come to your brain. Let me see. Wow, Shreyang, that seems correct to me. Kamala, did you answer already? Shri Mitran and Shreyang. Good job, guys. Remember our fact family. Go with the fact family. But the numbers need to be the same here. Aditi, did you get it?
I'm still thinking.
Still thinking. But a fact family can really help you. You will add the two small numbers to make up the bigger number. 78 seems the biggest number here. That you have to split it into two boxes. But the two boxes are the same value. Aru, good job. Kamala, good job. How did you find Kamala? Or Aru, you can explain. You wanted to explain Aru.
So I split the I split 78 into half. So I started with my 10th place, the hardest, because people might think it's not possible to split 70, but it's possible because if you know 50, it's 25, add an extra 10 to the 25s, and then it becomes 35. So 35 plus 35 equals 70. And then I split the fourth into the 8 into fours. And then I did 35 plus 4, and I got 39.
Oh, nice. See, one another way, Aru, to add to your thoughts, right? That 78, you can split it into 60 plus 18. You see, you can split it into 60 plus 18. When you split it into 60 plus 18, then finding the half is so much easier. 30 and 9. Sum it up, 39 is the half of 78. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so thinking about it, if you split it as 70 and 8, it's going to be hard for anybody. So put it as 60 and 18 where you can make halves easily. Make sense? Okay, let's try this one. This is going to be a little harder again. You are going to fill up the spaces with the same number. You're going to fill up the spaces with the same number. Again, this you can utilize the fact family as well. You can utilize the fact family as well. There is a big number. From that, you're going to subtract a number. You can use the fact family as well. Instead of subtracting on one side, instead of subtracting this from here, what you can do? Okay, think about it. Yes, Aradhya, tell me your thoughts. I'm here to listen. Yeah, go ahead quickly, Ma. Whoever has thoughts, you can tell it out now. This is a hard problem. Let's discuss, guys. Everything you can't do, right?
Do we have to fill the blanks with the same number?
Correct. That's the hardest part. You have to fill the blanks with the same number. What can you do about it?
Miss Priya,
Uh-huh.
can I go to the restroom?
Go ahead. Go and come back quickly. Shreyank, what is your thought, Shreyank? Shout it out with us. Think out loud. Ananya, what is your thought?
I'm trying out fact families.
Oh, you're trying out fact families. But the problem here, one thing about the fact family here is, there's a minus in here. You're going to remove some number.
Okay.
Okay, one option is, let me remove the 7 and see. 7 seems extra, right? Let me remove the 7 and see. Put 7 here. What is happening, guys? 14 this side, 20 this side. So what does it mean? What does it mean? I just like that put the 7 because the 7 was extra here. I put the 7. It was very clear that my left side is less. So should I increase this number 7 or reduce it further? What should I do? This side is more.
Increase.
Increase. Good job. I have to increase the number 7. So try out 8. Good job, Kamala. Did you do by yourself, Ma?
No, I got a bit of help. Mom just helped me with the number sentence,
Sure.
and then I just figured out the.
Yeah, I did help her. I did tell her to take that minus sign to the left and make it plus.
Sure.
The
Oh, okay.
answer
Okay.
is
I'm not giving them that yet. Okay. So why don't you try? Just like that, try 7 everywhere. And then you decide whether you want to increase or decrease. Shreyank, that's correct. Did you try out 8, 9 like that, Shreyank?
Yes.
Good. Shall I go ahead and give you one more? I want more answers, guys. Okay. I don't want others to wait. Good job, Shreyank. Good job, Ritu. Are you doing it or getting help, Ritu?
I'm getting help.
Okay, how did you come up with that number? How do you think you came up with that number?
I did
Ananya,
3
very
times 9.
Oh, you did 3 times 9. Okay, that's good to know. Okay. One thing, guys, here what I'm saying is put a 7. If you fill the same 7 everywhere, right? Do this addition and see. 14, this side you give gives you a 20. So what does it mean? Still my right side is more. So you have to remove more. You have to remove more number. Can I put 8 and see? Then maybe, let's see. If I put 8, this becomes 16. This becomes 19. Good. We are on right track. Do you see? We have increased this. We have decreased this. We are on right track, but still not yet there. Then I will try a 9 minus 9. When I put the 9, what happens? 9 plus 9 is 18. I increased again, which is good. From 27, if you take away the 9, I first take away the 7, making it a 20. Then I take away the 2, making it 18. Both are equal. So 9 perfectly works. 9 plus 9 is 18. 27 minus 9 is 18. Now, that's right. Okay. So, Ananya, did you understand where was the mistake?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now let's go ahead and read the problem. I'm going to read it out to you. Ming has twice as many toes as Ned. Ming has twice as many toes as Ned. Ned has this many toes. Ming has twice as many toes means the same box. I'll repeat it 2 times. This is Ming. This is Ned. Together, they have 54 toes. Together, they have 54 toes. One thing what you guys need to remember is each of the box will have the same number. Ming has twice as many toes as Ned. Together, they have 54 toes. So that gets you to 3 boxes of the same size. So all of the boxes add up to 54. What can you do to find out what is each box? What can you find out?
Difficult.
What, ma?
This one is difficult.
This one is difficult. Okay. In your case, right, Anjali, can I give you a clue? Let me go ahead and put 10.
I'm doing Shayan.
You see, every time both of you are okay. Sorry. 10, 10, 10. That's only 30. So you have to increase the number. Go ahead, Shreyank. Increase the number. Increase the number.
35 and then 30 plus 24.
30 plus, how do you split 24 into the 3 boxes equally? Aradhya, I did not get. What is that answer, Aradhya? Can you explain? So first I put a 10, 10, 10. I get only 30 toes, but I need to get 54 toes. What do you want me to do? There are 3. See, guys, you have to start drawing the models slowly. I'm going to give you more today we are going to work on more problems like this with models.
Yeah.
Anjali, if I put a 15, Anjali has answered 15. Let's try 15, 15, 15. Am I getting 54? No. 15 plus 15 is 30. 30 plus 15 is 45. I'm not getting what I want. Maybe one more. Add one more and see. Slowly do one more everywhere. Then what will I get? 48. Still I'm not there. I've given you clues. Now you're going to sit and break. Sri Mitran, good job. Did you get it? Ritu, can I help you?
Yes.
The boxes are all one and the same. I started with 10. Then I even went to 15. 15 did not work. You still have to increase and see. Can you increase and see? Maybe 16, 16, 16 or 17, 17, 17 or 18, 18, 18. Like that you increase and see. You will get the answers, guys. Anjali, how are you thinking? You all can share what you're doing as well. Aru, did you think about something? Yes, Aru, you got it. Shreyank, Srimitran, good job.
Can I help everybody?
Go ahead.
If it can't be 15 and 15 equals 45, then you do 16, but 16 would be 48.
Wait, let's write down. 15. Now you made it to 16, 16, 16. Adding 1 everywhere, that becomes 48. Okay, then what?
If you do 17, you would get 51. But 18, you would get 54 because you add another 3.
Yep. So each of the boxes will have 18. So what does it mean if each of the boxes has 18? See, this many toes Ned has. So Ned has 18 toes. Okay, now no problem, guys. I really want you guys to have more of word problems. Let's see. How about this? How about this? Okay, how about this? I want you to think about this. I have $5 bills and $10 bills. Meaning I have $5, $10, $5, $10, $5, $10. I don't know how many $5 bills I have, how many $10 bills I have. Okay. You know, I have a total of $55. I have a total of $55. Okay. But I have only $5 bills and $10 bills. Hey, Rishit, I will go over 10 minutes over. But if you have something else going on, please log off, but share the Google form wherever you left off.
Okay, I'll share it to you right now.
Yeah. So now I have a total of $55. And I have...
I'll leave to do my homework.
What, ma?
Can I leave to do my school homework?
Yeah. Please, please, please.
Okay, thank you.
I have
Bye.
a total of 9 bills. Bye, ma. I have a total of 9 bills. 9 bills means 9 notes I'm having. Okay. It can be $5 or $10. I don't know. It can be $5 or $10. But I have a total of $55. Now, can you tell me how many $5 bills I have? You're going to guess and check. I have a total of 9 bills. So let me put 9 bills, right? See, there are 9 bills. I'm going to put money into it. Let's say I have all $10 bills. How much I'm getting? $90. But I have only 55 bills, $55. So definitely I need to decrease this. I need to decrease this. I can't have. Maybe one I will change it to $5 and see. This is what I will go ahead with. If I change one of this, right, I still have $85, which is too much. Too much means I have to change the $10 to $5. So like this is the way to go. Good job. Shreyank, good job. Kamala, good job. See, slowly, if you have more money, decrease the 10 to 5. So, and then sum up the value to make it. See now, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, $80. That is also too much. I have only $55. So why don't I change this again to a 5? Shankari, is that right? No. Aru, in your case, did you... I'm just confused. In your case, it's only $50, right, Aru? Sum it up. Your case, you tell me that there are 8 $5 bills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and a $10 bill. Sum it up. Count by 5s. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 50. But I need to have $55, right, ma? So what happens in your case? You have to change one 5 to a 10. You have to go up. So you have to change the 5 to a 10. Ritu, how are you doing? Ritu.
It's kind of hard.
It's kind of hard. That's what. See, Ritu, can I suggest this, Ritu? Make everything. Draw 9 bills. Okay? Draw 9 bills. That's why I drew 9 bills for you. You can follow the same thing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bills. Put everything is equal to 10. How many total dollars? 90. It's too much. I have only 55. So I have to cross out this and change it to $5 bill. Now see how much my money reduced. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, $80, which is good. Still I am too much. What do I do? Shall we reduce? Shall we reduce another 2? Now how much is the money? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, $70, which is good. But still I am too much. I have too much. Ritu, does it work? Akshara, good. Akshara.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma?
can I explain how I did it?
Definitely, yes. Akshara, you have only 8 bills. You should have 9 bills in total. So when you write down, you should draw 9 boxes. Akshara, that is the problem there. You see? Good job, Aru. Yes,
Yeah.
Srimitra, explain. Go ahead and explain.
I did like
Start with $9
Go ahead.
start with 9 $5 bills.
I agree. Wait, let's draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bills you have. You put everything as 5. Okay. Then what happened?
And I got a less number 45.
Good, 45. But you need to have 55. So what did you do?
And I minus 2 of the 5s.
Yep. So take away the 5, replace it with a 10. What happened?
And I got 55.
Now it was $5 more. So it was a 55. You had 9 bills and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 $5 bills. And then you had 2 $10 bills, correct?
Yes.
Good job. satisfied all the scenarios, right? Now let's see this one. A triangle and a triangle. Okay, a triangle and a triangle and a square add up to a 13. Triangle and a square add up to a 17. Can you tell me what does a triangle plus a square equals? Sometimes with these problems, sometimes with these problems, you can always add everything else to everything up together. Left side, add everything together. Right side, add everything together. Does that help? Or taking away a triangle or a square, does it help? You don't know what a triangle is, you don't know what a square is. So what can help? Whoever gets the first thought, you have to shout out. Triangle, triangle, square add up to 13. Triangle, square, square add up to 17. What is the triangle and the square? The sum of triangle and the square.
Triangle plus square is equal to 13 minus triangle.
Taking away triangle from both the sides.
What is it?
Taking away triangle minus square is equal to 13 minus triangle.
So taking away one triangle from both the sides. Also.
Okay, you took away triangle from here, and then what did you do? Then you have to take away
And I
triangle.
put minus triangle.
Okay, I did that. So this is gone. So what happened after that? But that's not getting you the answer, right? I really want a number for this one. I get it. I hear you, what you have done. But I want a number here.
I think the triangle plus square would equal 15.
How did you get that?
Because I saw a pattern of all the numbers just being odd, and I thought that there's I thought of an odd like a small like number that's like close to both of it.
Okay. So how did you do, Aru? Go ahead.
So I saw that both of the numbers were just like odd, and I realized there's like I thought of a number that would be in the middle of both, and it had the like same type of gap. So
I like it. So that is correct. Your thought process is very correct. So both are odd. So what?
like it had to be an odd number because the triangle and the square only add up to odd numbers.
Correct. Okay. So go ahead. Very nice. So how did you do that?
Like
So basically, 1 minute, ma. 1 minute. See, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is a 3. Odd plus odd plus odd is an odd number. Do you see that? 3 plus 3 plus 3 is again an odd number. 7 plus 7 plus 7 is again an odd number. Do you see it?
Yeah.
If you add even plus even any number of times you add, it's going to be an even number. So here, clearly, what do you guys think? If suppose this is even, that can as well be odd, right, ma? See, if this is odd, it can result. Even plus odd can result in odd. However, even plus odd should have resulted in an even number. It is not. So definitely all are odd. Very good conclusion. I like this. Okay. Then what?
Like
That makes sense. All are odd. Okay.
I knew it should be 15 because it both like since we're only using triangles and squares, and 13 and there needed to be like a number like that had the same difference of 13 and like 2, the difference of 2. I thought of a number with the difference of like 2, and it had and since 13 and 17, like and 15's in the middle of both of them,
Mm.
I knew
So what
with
did you try with? What number did you try with the difference of 2?
15 because that 15 is like smack in the middle of 13 and 17,
Okay.
like not difference, like
Okay.
with like
So what numbers did you try? Both are odd numbers, right? What numbers did you try for square and triangle?
I didn't try numbers. I was at first I was mostly looking at the like what those would equal.
Mm-hmm.
So I looked at the like the triangle and squares equal, and I knew it had to be 15.
Okay, Ma. So what did you try with? What number did you try with?
I didn't try with any number. I just looked at the numbers.
Looked at the numbers, and so what did your triangle stand for? What did the square stand for? See, the thought process is very nice. So, okay, odd, odd, odd. Everything has to be odd. Then only these two can be odd. After that, anybody, you can pitch in too. What do you guys think about this? Why don't you copy this down and think about it and come back and tell me? Copy this down. I really want you to find out the value of this. This is given. It's a tricky problem. Why don't you copy this in your notebook? Triangle plus square is a 13. Triangle plus square is 17. So Aru came up with the thought, hey, all this should be odd. Why? It makes sense to me too in a way. Yes, it has to be odd because if these both are odd, definitely the square and the triangle should be odd. So I've given you a clue now. But why don't you fill up numbers in this and make sure you get this? Can we try? Just copy this down and you can do this and come. Srimitham, that may not be the answer, I feel.
Miss Priya,
Yama?
I think triangle plus square equals 9.
Equals 9. Okay. What made you say so, Ma?
I just so since I tried something that equals 13, so I tried a 6 plus 7, and then since 7 is an odd number, I just put it in the square, and I put 6, and half of 6 is 3, so I put 3 in the triangle, and then 3 plus 3 equals 6, plus 7 equals 13. So then 3 plus 7 equals 10, and plus 7 equals 17, and then I did 3 plus 3 plus I meant 7.
You're there. Why don't you do that at home and come back and tell me? It may not be. What was the value, Ma, of triangle? 3, right?
Yeah.
What was the value of square?
Square is 7.
Good one. Go ahead.
Me?
Go ahead. Did you have an answer?
I did the same way she did.
Mm-hmm.
I did the
And you got the same answer. Okay, good job. Okay. So, Shankari, but your answer for the triangle plus the square, oh, you changed it now. First you said a 9, right?
Yeah, I meant 3.
10. Okay, I got it. Srimitran, Shreyang, correct. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'll stop here, but I'll continue this problem next week.
Miss Priya,
You'll get a
I had an answer for the
tell me the answer. What did the triangle and the square stand for?
the triangles and the squares. The triangle standed for like 10, cause no, the triangle standed for 5, I meant, and then the
Square stood for what?
the school. Oh wait, no.
No, okay. Aru, I'll do one thing, Aru. I'll stop here, okay? People are getting bored as well, okay, with the same problem. So let me give it to them. Why don't you bring back an answer next week? There is a very easy way to solve this. I want to show you that next week. There's quite an easy way to solve this. Shall we try that next week?
Yeah.
I'll stop here, guys. I'll stop here, but I'll tell you a very easy way of finding this. Why don't you think about the easiest way and come back? It's not that hard at all. You just need to know the sum of the triangle and the square. They're not asking you to find each. Finding each is tough, but finding the sum is going to be a lot easier. Think about it and come back. Okay? I'll stop here. Any questions? Any questions? Okay. Okay. So for this week, right, you will have homework, 2 homework. Okay. One is from the book. Book is going to be less and one is from grade 2 standards. Make sense? I want to cover up all the grade 2 standards as well by the end of the year. Okay.
How many pages are there in the book?
I will assign one. Definitely you will have it from 73, 74, 75. You will have 73, 74, 75, I know. But 76, I don't know whether you guys can do.
In
the 2, what is that book? 2B. Okay, I'll put it down in the Google Classroom. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. If you have questions, stay. I'll see you next week again. Hey, and with respect to the time, right? Can we, Aradhana's mom, Aradhana, your mom is there?
My mom, she's not in this room, but she's.
Aradhana. No, Divya is okay. Your mom is okay. Aradhya, your mom is there? I just want to meet with them. Aradhya, your mom is there? Ananya, good job. I saw the answer. Aradhya, your mom is there?
My mom's in a different room.
Will she come? Is she busy?
No, I can call her.
Yeah, call her, please.
Can we leave now, Priya?
Yeah. And
Bye.
no,
You
is
want
it
me to
okay?
be?
Yeah. No, is it
Bye,
okay?
Mom.
Is it okay? From February, we said we'll change. I have not changed because I have not had a consensus yet. Okay.
You did.
I was thinking whether we can have it 5:45 to 6:45. Or 6 to 7 really works, but I don't know if it works for Aradhya.
I think we are flexible on Mondays, so we don't have any other activity.
Okay, I'll keep you posted. Then you leave.
Yeah. So what time are you thinking
I
again?
am really meaning I had asked for 6 to 7. Okay, to everybody accepted. Okay, the other parents accepted, but there was a problem with Aradhya. Without everybody's consent, I cannot keep going. So I'll just discuss
Yeah,
with.
we can do 6 to 7.
No, yeah, we have a thing for.
If I can
we
5:45, they might be okay. I think. Let me check with them.
Yes,
Quickly.
We can.
Yeah.
We can do both. We can do 5:45 or we can do 6 on Monday only though.
Only
Oh,
on
yeah,
Monday.
yeah,
We can
Monday
do
only,
on
yeah.
Tuesday.
Yeah, no change in days and all. Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
If not
Priya,
okay. Yeah,
you are
yeah.
calling.
See you, Priya.
Yeah, bye. Hey,
Bye.
5:45 is okay, Namita.
Wait, what's the time you said?
5:45?
Yeah, it's fine.
Sorry.
It's fine for me.
No, your time 4:45.
My time 4:45. Yeah, that also works fine for me.
Illema, and see, then after that soccer class comes in March, na, it's difficult, right?
Yeah.
4:45 now, will you be able to go to the class?
Yes.
Okay. Then is 6 possible at all? I'm sorry, 5 CST.
I think her soccer class is from, can you ask Abby, what's the soccer class time? I think 6 to 7 for her. Or 5:30 to 6:30. Can you ask, go run and ask? Just a minute.
Okay, guys. Ananya, you're okay with 6, Amma? You're okay with 5 p.m. CST, Amma? Do you know?
Priya, 5 p.m.
5 p.m.
Okay, Priya, 5 p.m.
Okay, Ninga, you go log off, please. I'll finally keep you posted after discussing with every mom. Shreyank's mom, are you?
Yes, we are okay for 5:45 or 6.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Anjali, you're okay now? You log off, ma. I think your mom said she was okay. Hey, Divya, I know that you are okay. You can log off.
It ends at 6.
No, it starts at 6.
Oh,
Yeah, Priya, anytime works. Friday, I mean, Monday we are okay with the, 5:45 or 6, any time works.
Okay, thank you.
Priya, her classes start from 6 to 7.
Okay, if we end at 5:45, is it okay?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, we'll do that then.
Yeah. Thank
We'll
you.
do that. We'll end at 5:45. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah.
Miss Priya.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you,
Bye.
Priya. Thank you so much.
Bye. Aditi, you can log off, ma. Akshara, your mom is there?
Log off for now. Can I log off? No.
Okay, no problem.
not.
No
here.
problem. Already
Can I
consented.
log off?
Yes, you can log off.
Can I log off?
Yes, Sri Mitran's mom is okay, right? 5:45.
log off?
Your time 4:45.
Bye.
Okay,
Log
no
off.
issues.
Okay, thank you so much, because I don't want to push it, meaning I have a humble request on that, because in March, my husband is going to India. So that time I'll be so pressurized. I don't want to have it. So before itself, I want things to change. That's why.
Okay. We are okay with any time. No issues.
Thanks a lot. Yeah, just that 45 minutes. That will really help. Thank you.
Yes.
Thanks. Bye-bye. Hey,
Bye.
bye.
Can
Bye,
I
Ishan.
log off?
Bye, Ishan. Bye, Aru.
Bye.
Bye, Akshara.
Thank you.
Bye.